How to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. Now, first of all, open the Bitget app and make sure to log into your account. And after that, from the bottom right corner, tap on Assets. And as you can see from the top part, tap on Spot. And as you can see, tap on Withdraw. And now you can search for USDT from the search bar, as you can see, or you can tap on it automatically. Now, after that, tap on On-Chain Withdrawal. And now from the network, you can set it as the BIP20. I suggest you to set it as the BIP20 like that. Now to get the withdrawal address, we need to go to our Binance account. Now to get the withdrawal address of our USDT, what you need to do, now tap on Assets. Now select the spot from the top bar, and you can see tap on Deposit. And now select your USDT if you see it from here, or you can search for it here, as you can see. Now after that, select your token, in this case it will be USDT, and now select the network as you set it before on the Bitget as BIP20. And as you can see, your withdrawal address is ready to go to copy it. Now after that, copy it from here. Now go back to your Bitget, and now as you can see, you can paste it here in the withdrawal address box. And now set the amount that you want to transfer from here. And after that, tap on withdraw, and about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive the USDT on your Binance account. So this is how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.